this is Tech Fellow YouTube channel and my name is Akib Hassan. Today in this short tutorial I will show you that how to disable your login password at startup of your Windows 10. So you can also change your password by this method. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Okay, first of all, open your settings. Now go to your accounts. Click on sign in options and select never here in require sign in option. Now click on your search icon and search RUN. Click on run app and type here NETPLWIZ, then hit OK. Now uncheck this box and after apply it, give your Windows 10 login password here. OK, again OK, and we have done. I hope you like this video. For more informative videos, please do subscribe and keep watching my videos. Thank you.